importance of world literature in the maritime field today. Good day, everyone. When we hear the world literature, we often think of stories, poems, and novels. Many people may wonder why maritime students need to study world literature when our future careers focus on ships, navigation, and marine operations. However, world literature is more than just reading stories. It helps understand people, cultures, values, and human experiences from different parts of the world. In today's global maritime industry, these lessons are just important as technical skills. World literature also teaches valuable lessons about leadership and ethics. Many literary works explore challenges, conflicts, and difficult decisions faced by individuals and communities. These stories encourage us to think about responsibility, fairness, and integrity. The maritime profession leaders make sound decisions, especially during emergencies. And literature helps develop that sense of judgment. One of reason world literature is relevant in the maritime field is that it promotes intellectual understanding. Ships today are operated by multinational crews. As the future seafarers, we will work with people from different countries, language, and cultures. Through the literature, we learn to appreciate different perspectives and tradition. Helpfulness build respect and cooperation on board. Another important benefit is communication skills. Literature improves our ability to read carefully, think critically, and express ideas clearly, effectively. Communication is essential at sea because misunderstanding can lead to mistake and safety risk. By studying literature, we become better listeners and communicators, which helps us work more effectively with others. World literature remains relevant in the maritime field because it develops cultural awareness, communication skills, leadership qualities, ethical thinking, and empathy, while technical knowledge helps us operate ships safely. Literature helps us helps us understand and work effectively with people. Integrity in the maritime profession. Leaders must make sound decisions, especially during emergencies, and literature helps develop that sense of judgment. In addition, literature helps build empathy and emotional intelligence. Life at sea can be demanding and stressful. Understanding the feelings and experience of others allows us to support our crewmates, resolve conflicts peacefully, and maintain positive relationship on board. Thank you.